today I'm going to show you how I steam all of my potatoes for the week in my Instapot.
We can hear your bell in my video.
So the first thing I'm going to do is wash all of my potatoes. The flies are so bad right now. Okay, so now that my potatoes are all scrubbed, I'm gonna put my steaming basket into my Instapot. If you have one of the fancy steaming baskets that you can buy for the Instapot, that's great. Otherwise, I just got this at Walmart and I use this in my other pots and it works great in the Instapot. So I just put it in the bottom. And then I grabbed the largest potatoes and put them in the bottom, and then I put the smallest potatoes at the top. Okay, seriously, like the flies right now are driving me nuts, and I think my compost pile has been adding to the situation. I need to be putting more browns in and doing a better job of that. Okay, so I've got almost all my potatoes in, and like I said, I put the smallest ones in at the top. And as far as steaming these, if all the potatoes were small, I would only steam this for about 14 minutes. But because I have some big potatoes in the bottom there, I'm gonna steam all of these guys for 20 minutes. But we like ours to be really soft. I like to be able to make like mashed potatoes easily if I want to. So if you want them a little firmer, just, you know, play with the time. You'll start to learn what you kind of like. But for this, I'm gonna do 20 minutes. But first, before I steam anything, I need to add the water to the Instapot or your regular pressure cooker. And I always add 2 cups. I know that some places it says just to add a cup, but I feel like the potatoes come out kind of dry. So I add 2 cups. You do what you like, 1 cup, 2 cups. I like 2 cups. Make sure your vent is set to sealed.
So interesting.
So now tonight we're gonna have some of these with dinner. We're gonna have them with some cheese sauce and some veggies, and then I will let the rest of these cool all the way down, and then I just store them in a big container in the fridge, and then I have potatoes already made to use to make quick, easy meals during the week.